Lake County resident Frederick Grabbe, born in Germany in 1842, pursued many business ventures over the years and was known locally for bottling and marketing mineral spring water from an artesian well in Libertyville under the name Abana Springs. Frederick was also an avid beekeeper. He was the business manager for the American Bee Journal, and in 1872 he patented a new design for apiaries, also known as beehives. In 1878, Frederick became chief bee tender on a Mississippi River expedition with C.O. Perrin, a honey distributor based in Chicago. Several hundred hives were placed on a river barge to follow the spring blooms from New Orleans to St. Paul, Minnesota. Traveling slowly north on this floating bee palace, as one newspaper called it, the bees could have an unending supply of blossoms and in turn produce a continuous supply of honey for Perrin to market. There were many difficulties. A mid-May start meant they were already behind the spring blossom season. Engine trouble caused delays, and eventually the hives were transferred to a steamship to increase speed. Along the way, some bees never returned to the hives. Some were lost to cold winds, and some to the large expanse of water. But new bees, termed vagrant bees, joined the expedition. In the end, the project was abandoned just north of St. Louis, Missouri, far short of the original Minnesota goal. Perrin and Frederick's experiment was not a great success, but the idea of mobile hives and increased honey production continued to intrigue bee enthusiasts. With mixed results, beehives were moved by boat, by rail, and even by automobile because, as one newspaper put it in 1878, there was big money in honey.